At Lady Puamba Private Hospital and Windhoek Central Hospital, 27 life-changing surgeries were performed, each one a turning point in someone's life.
This year was different in the sense that we had really well-trained, world-class pediatric orthopedic foot and ankle surgeons that could help us. And that was a game changer.
These were not ordinary cases. They were complex, severe, and in many instances, left untreated for years.
These are basically healthy patients with deformities which prohibit them from functioning optimally. And if you look at the patients, the kind of deformities they have, it has an impact on their confidence. So how it benefits society is we are giving these surgeries to able-bodied persons so that they can reach their full potentials in their lives, as well as to be active normally, just like everybody else.
But this wasn't just about the surgeries. It was a shared mission, a humanitarian program that brought together 23 orthopedic surgeons, fellows, technologists, medical officers, and physiotherapists from across Namibia and South Africa.
We bring together these professionals to tackle these very complex foot and ankle problems. We've got a team of 4 doctors. One is based in Canada, another based in the USA, Brazil, and Germany.
More than a mission, it was a duty, a promise fulfilled.
There we go. Steps2Walk.
My mentor, Dr. Mark Meyerson, who started this Steps2Walk program many years ago, is very passionate about humanitarian work. He got a prestigious award from the American Orthopedic Association 2 or 3 years ago, the Humanitarian Award, specifically for the work that Steps2Walk does all around the world. It's a privilege, but it's also a bit of a duty to do this type of thing.
Delegates participated in 2 live clubfoot baby assessments, an invaluable experience that deepened understanding and ignited passion in future caregivers.
There is a video feed from theatre to a training room where we've got delegates from all over the country as well as other parts of Africa who are witnessing these surgeries, as well as taping from our experienced faculty.
The impact was real. The joy unmistakable. Every patient treated is now on a new journey towards mobility, dignity, and possibility.
We cannot not do it anymore. You know, we started the process, people are relying on it, and it must go on and it must grow. And from a sponsorship point of view, everything costs money. Although the doctors involved is doing it for free, there's a lot of logistics around this that cost money, and we need funds for that. Without the sponsors that we had this year, it would not be possible to do something like this. You know, I can't thank the sponsors enough, and I hope that they see what is being done with their sponsorship. And I'm not talking only about monetary sponsorships, from transport for the faculty, food parcels for the patients. I just feel that Namibians in general have a heart for people, and I can see this in the way that they sponsor this. And as it grows, I think we will go on with this journey with our sponsors in order to have this important program in the future and build it out, reach more people, more patients, and leave a legacy.